Look at this. My system is currently consuming 30% of RAM, and this is the only software that I have to optimize and tweak my performance. All here I need to do is I need to click on boost, and you will see that the memory usage reduced from 30% to 23. And if you haven't noticed, whopping 36 gigabyte of temporary files were also released. So I gain around 36 gigabyte of data. Not only that, this tool also gives you option like deep cleanup, or you can also set up smart boost, which do things on your behalf like you do not need to do by yourself. All you need to do is you need to turn it on, and as soon as you're gonna hit 1 gigabyte of temp file, Microsoft PC Manager going to make sure that your system remain optimized by deleting those. You also can see there are certain other options which help you to track your application usage duration. So if you turn it on, you may able to view the app types and usage trend in health check to keep your PC healthy and efficient. So you can also enable it if you want. And if I go back here in home page, you're gonna see there are so many options. For example, health check that checks your entire system and make you aware of what can be done to further optimize it. Now, not only optimization, but you're gonna also see the protection tab that will again help you and save you from virus and threat protection. All these capabilities that you can see here is built in. And the best part here, this all belongs to Microsoft. So do not need to worry about any kind of risk. So let me now quickly show you how you can get it. For that, you need to press this Windows button. Now type EDGE, which is nothing but Microsoft browser. Now simply type here Microsoft PC Manager download. So this link will take you to this particular page, which will download the Microsoft PC Manager setup. Now you can simply make double click on it and can install. You can also install it through Microsoft apps by visiting App Store, and from here also you can click on download to download this and can install. So that's how, guys, you're gonna get all these tools that will help you to keep your system healthy and boost your system performance at one place. That too completely free. Hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Windows Nexus for more such videos where our objective is to elevate your Microsoft Windows experience. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.